Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a new currency account on Revolut. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you want to create a new currency account on Revolut here, well, this one is quite easy. So, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go ahead and open up the Revolut app here and log into your account. Now, from here, you want to go and choose the accounts option that you see at the center of your screen to view all your accounts. Now, in your accounts, you want to go and click on the Add New option that you see at the very bottom of your screen, and it should redirect you to this page here. Now, you should see, or you should be able to see a number of accounts that you can add. So this includes different currencies like Australian dollar, Bulgarian lev, Canadian dollar, and a lot more. So go and just choose or search for the currency that you want to add, and once you've selected that, you can go and click on the Add button that should be appearing on your screen. Now, once you click on add, it should now be added into your account. Now, to view that, you can go back to the main screen here, click on accounts, and it should be now listed in here, and also the amount. So if you click on the specific currency, you should have the option to add funds, transfer funds via that specific account. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.